Hey guys, hello my people, welcome back to the Digital Mommy YouTube channel. This is a space where we talk about anything that is related to beginners, moms, and professionals who want to make money online, who want to start a career online, or who want to make some extra income just on internet. So today I'm talking to those people who think that they are broke. Please, my dear, stop calling yourself that you are broke, because you are not. You are not broke, you are just unskilled. And before you get offended, please stay with me. Before you think that life is not going well, life is not taking you to the moments that you wish it could be taking you, please stay with me, because I'm going to help you to discover the energy or the skill that you have that could help you make some money online on internet. And it is possible, you people, it is possible, it is makeable. You can make it as long as you follow the steps clearly and you try to put in action, not following only. So I'm telling you because I have gone through this journey, and the moment that I understand that the fact is not that I don't have money, it is that I don't have a skill to monetize. It is that moment that my life has changed, and I want your life to get changed, because in this world of economy, in this AI economy, in this digital era, if we don't help each other, we are not pushing any frontiers. So I know that you keep on saying that I don't have money, I don't have capital, I don't have connection, but what you really mean is that I don't have a skill that produces income. The fact is not that you don't have money or you are broke. The fact is that you don't have a skill that could help you make some income, that could compensate you in terms of cash. Okay? So, because let me ask you something. Let's take an example. If I drop you in a country just now, you don't know anyone, you don't have a job, you have no context, you have no saving. Would you know how to make money? You will give yourself an answer. If you could make money, if you could survive in that country, in that situation where you are in a country, you're very new there, you don't know anyone, you have no job, you have no savings, but you can still survive, that is a skill. Okay, you have a skill, my dear. That is a skill. Because I know that most of people we keep on saying that we don't have money, but the money is a lot of the value. Let me tell you, if you have a value, if you could add a value to yourself, the money will come following you, because money does not respond to complaints. Stop complaining, because if you keep on complaining, money is going to go further from you. It's not stick to those people who keep on complaining. Money don't like complainers, please. And prayers alone cannot give you money. Money cannot respond to a prayer without an action. I know that praying is good. I know that through prayer we get many solutions, but when it comes to money, you need to do something. If you keep on playing without doing anything, I'm telling you, money is going to keep on away from you. So you need to do something. Money is not going to respond to wishing. Wish without action is like dreams, not in reality. And when you keep on blaming the economy, the money is going to keep on being further from you, because you're not a good friend to the economy. You need to be friendly. For example, if you know how to do video editing, if you know how to write CVs, if you know how to run ads, if you are that person who could design graphics, if you are that person who could build a website, who could manage social media, how comes you are telling me that you are broke? You are not broke, because all those skills that I have mentioned, they are marketable. Bring in your authority. As someone, let me tell you something. In my authority, in my opinion, as someone who has IT background, I realize that something powerful is that skill travels, money follows skills. When skills has traveled, or when you have decided to fall in this category or that category, or in this niche or that niche, I'm telling you that money is going to follow you in that niche. For example, if you choose to follow video editing, you're going to edit the video today, you edit it tomorrow. Do you think that you're going to pass a month without making money from those editings? No, it be possible. You're going to make some money from that. You know, if you are a good writer, you keep on writing CVs for people. You put on helping people to have good CVs, have ATF CVs. Do you think that people are not going to pay you? They are going to pay you. So the fact is that it's not about being broke, it's about lacking a skill. So it's your time to think which skill you are going to grab. If you know how to run ads, why can't you work with people who for in the advertisement industry, and they help you to run ads, and you help them run ads, they give you some money, okay? If you are a good developer, you could make a website. You could make a marketable website, a search engine optimized website. Why can't you build websites and help people stay online, keep their businesses online? Then they give you money. Why can't you think of that? Okay? If you could manage social media, why are you not calling the bosses to give you some, some offers to help them manage their Instagram accounts, their TikTok accounts, and other social media platforms? So you are not broke, you are marketable. If you do possess one of those skills or many of those skills, I'm telling you that you're not broke, you were just marketable. The problem is that you don't start marketing yourself. So please take an action. Because the real problem is no money, is that you don't have monetizable skill, you have no discipline to learn one, or no consistent to build one. Most of the people, we do face this issue. We do find ourselves in a gap that we have no skill to be monetized, and at the end of the day, we don't take a discipline to learn one. And when we have tried to learn one, we are not consistent to build from it. So people want income but avoid skill building, and this is making us lose a lot of money on internet, because here on internet, people really want a skill. They don't want our faces only, they only want a skill. So it's your time to think of which skill you're going to start building today. Because I know that you can pass 3 hours just scrolling on TikTok, seeing the new dances, the new raps. It is okay to make yourself happy with those laps, but why can't you spend an hour a day just learning a skill? That is not poverty, that is misprioritization. So think of which one you are going to prioritize, okay? Let me give you a practical tip that is going to help you win in this digital economy, in this online income era. Pick one digital skill. It could be social media management, could be CV writing, could be copywriting, could be Canva design, could be virtual assistants, it could be basic website setup. Pick just one, and after picking it, learn it for free in 30 days. I'm not inviting you to pay for trainers when you are beginner. No, don't pay any money. Just come online, come on YouTube, learn for 30 days for free. Learn on YouTube, practice, then offer 3 services. If you start offering free services to 2 to 3 people, those 2 to 3 people, they are going to help you build your portfolio. They are going to help you have example of the real project that you've worked on, and you will ask for them to sign for you so that you can have where to start from. After offering those free services to at least 2 to 3 people, then start charging small. Don't start with $100K, $1,000 for the service. Start with $25 a day. $25 per service. Then don't wait to be perfect. Start small, improve you as you go on. Show your work online. Don't hesitate to come and make a post. Tell us what you're doing. Tell us what you're offering the universe. Then post the results. Build the authority, then be visible. If you are visible, people will come to you. You don't have to chase them. They will come to you. And remember that invisible people stay blocked. This is why if you are invisible, no one is having an idea of what you're going through or what you're doing or what you're bringing in the universe, and no one is going to come to you. So as a mom building from home, I understand something powerful. Money respects skills. If you have a skill, money is going to respect you, and skill respects discipline. Yes, you have a skill, but you need a discipline for the skill to be monetizable, for the skill to be able to generate some income. So this is your time I am not here to motivate you. I am not here to just hype you. I'm just here to upgrade you. Okay? If you are the person who feel like this video has offended you a bit, that is good. Remember that growth starts with truth. Start telling yourself truth. Because this week, don't say that I am blog. Say that I am building a skill and taking action to build a skill. So I am inviting you that you drop a comment, share as a skill that you want to learn in 2026. Subscribe to the Digital Mom for more tips to come, and share with your friend. Tell a friend to tell a friend that something is going on right here, so that we could be all growing together in 2026. Until next time, with love from the Digital Mom. Bye.